Kumshibanta ban Kyntiew ki Nongsengkam Lajong ha ka district, Khubor district ka Ri-Bhoi ha ka Jingatarilang bat ka Startup India bat ka DPIIT ha ka Arpundritarik Jemang ki Pynlong ya ka workshop balatip kun ka Tejas Transforming Entrepreneurial Journeys Across States and District ka Pynlong ha Parish Hall Nongpo. Kinong mi khmat na ka Startup India bat DPIIT ru kilawan ban Shiminta bat ban pensha shikipai ba alor ki pangtrekam babunjat. Hakani ka workshop lawan bansa Khillang the Uchaitanya Avasti SDO Civil Patharkma Subdivision haka jingedon lang ka EN Marak Assistant Commissioner but kiwe ki officer na kani ka district kilong kami bat long pa ki blasdang ban seng ya lagi jong ki kam ki jam na ki babun ki shnong ka them Ri-Bhoi kilawan ban shiminta kani ka workshop Nakaliang ki Nongsengkam Lajong ha kini kesngi kile merging mut bat kila penpauru ikajingya lenti jongki bat ki jing e ki bekia kendu bat kumnu ke sorkar ka yarap yaki ban Kyntiew ka kam ka bekila zdang kenang bakan long ka jing aimen sim bat ka jing mentoi yaki
and promote innovation and entrepreneurship, especially at the classroom level. So exactly is Startup India. Startup India is a government of India's initiative. It has three broad focus areas. First one being simplification, handholding, technology partnership, registered partnership, and the newly added one
is the classification and heritage. So the artist will say the design and the techniques that we are having in preserving and culture.
So today the District Administration Ri-Bhoi in collaboration with DPIIT Government of India ODOP organized a one-day workshop Tejas for budding entrepreneurs within the Ri-Bhoi district. The program was done in collaboration with representatives from DPIIT, ODOP, MBMA. It is very heartening to share that more than 250 entrepreneurs turned up for this wonderful opportunity, which would serve as a milestone landmark in their journey of entrepreneurship, where they can learn how to best utilize the various schemes and benefits which are available under both the Government of India as well as Government of Meghalaya, particularly schemes like CM Elevate and other schemes like Prime. It was also heartening to see the success stories and the experiences shared by different entrepreneurs in Ri-Bhoi as well as heads of departments and holding these budding entrepreneurs towards their journey, which would require different kind of administrative as well as financial support from the government.